Hey guys, good morning. Quick RKT update. SPY also broke the former $20 level. It's currently pre-market at 21.30. If we close above these levels, I do think next stop is going to be the 22 $23 range. From there, I think we're going straight to, I don't think we'll stop at 24.90 or 25 bucks. I think we're going to go straight to $27 if we close above this level, and then go back to $22, $23 range, close above it, and then go straight to 27 bucks. I think we might just shoot straight up, but I think earnings might have a big impact on this. But because we're looking at like Qualcomm beat earnings, and they shot up like 10%, so I do think if RKT beats earnings, which it will, I don't think we're gonna dump. I really hope we don't dump. But really quick update, I am still down about around 4K. Average buy-in is 22.67, and I am holding 5 contracts of March $30 calls. It is looking like we're gonna be nearing the $23 range. And if we do kind of stay around this range or break above it, I do think the next level is gonna be around $27. So here's hoping.